Yes! Pero syempre, bago tayo mag-perform, hindi kami papayag na 7 lang kami. 8 hanggang dulo pa rin. Always, in all ways! Louder! Sino? Sino dyan? May nakita ko! Grabe ka! Bloom ka nga! Yes!
Okay, pero alam niyo, Bruce, napansin niyo naman si Ate Aya, di ba? Nag-cramps ba siya? Parang nag-cramps siya, so...
Pero she's fine daw.
She's fine.
Yes,
She's fine. Pero gagawin natin to for Ate Aya.
No, antayin natin siya. Pero Blooms, uupo lang muna siya. Okay lang. Oo, pwede ba yun? Oo, di ba? Para, alam mo yun? Pero kakanta siya. Antayin lang.
She will sing. Let's wait for her.
Don't you worry.
What happened, Ate Aya?
But for now, babasahin mo naman yung mga letters nyo. Okay? Yung mga hinandaan nyo for us, gusto nyo basahin namin. Let's read it.
Grateful
I'm gonna read it.
Beanie in this lifetime.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Happy to meet you too. Okay. Filipino Pride at Beanie PH. Thank you po.
Wow!
Sumakses pa sana lalo kayo. Salamat! Sabi nito, you made it, Beanie! Thank you po.
From Singapore to Philippines and Dubai with love.
Alam niyo, mga Blooms talaga na from Philippines pupunta sa kung saan tayo pumupunta. Pati rin like sa Canada, sa US, pumupunta talaga sa land. We really appreciate it, Blooms. And sa mga nandito ngayon, abang-abang muna tayo kasi hindi pa tayo mag-start.
Sa lahat ng mga nasa likod! Hello! Grabe! Shoot an arrow here, please. Bawal po.
Bawal sharp objects.
Hoy, may pinapa-shoutout si Coach Machu.
Yung Sunday.
Hello po sa Sunday.
Nasaan sila? Sunday! Ayun, sila yata.
Hello po sa akin, Coach Machu.
Abangan natin. And syempre guys, palakpakan naman natin yung mga kapatid natin from our deaf community. Yes, ganito yung clap sa kanila. Mahal namin kayo. Thank you. Thank you po. Let's clap for them.
Sino naalala pa yung names nila? Ako ito.
Yes. Kasi maganda raw yung kilay mo, kaya yun yung binigay sa'yo.
Kilay lang ba yung maganda sa?
Hindi! Ako kasi eto, kasi maganda raw yung smile. Sabi nila ha.
Smile mo lang.
Next. Ikaw, anong name mo? Kasi maganda raw yung smile mo. Kasi bumukha ko maganda. Love you, Stacy. Basahin mo, Stocks. Nasaan si Stocks?
Love you. Oh, I love you too.
Joanna, papiskin naman ang piskin ni Colette.
Ha?
Go.
Blooms, alam niyo ba yung isa sa mga naging RM namin dati, si Ate Janice, she's here!
Our manager!
Where is she?
Janice!
Where is
Janice,
she?
where are you? Si Ate Janice yung pinakauna naming road manager.
Yes. Siya yung kasama namin ever since, kahit pa nung
3
pre-debut, gano'n. Siya na talaga yung ate
Dito na siya
namin.
nag-work kasi ngayon. So,
Saan? Where is Ate Janice? Ate Janice?
Where are you, Ate Janice?
Guys, andito siya. Ay, nasa bulsa. Nasa bulsa.
I can see her.
And wait lang, gusto namin mag-thank you sa Team Dubai kasi grabe guys, mula nung pumunta kami dito sa Dubai, from airport to our hotel, to here sa venue, grabe ang pag-aasikaso sa amin.
Oo, tsaka alam mo, first time ko makakain ng Dubai chocolate everyday.
Everyday.
I love it. Napurga na ako sa Dubai chocolate.
And narinig ko, you guys have to line up for parang 2 p.m. 2 p.m. onwards, tapos sold out na siya after 2 hours. Tama ba?
And pag sa Philippines kasi, so doble yung patong ng price. So, ang mahal kasi sa Philippines.
Ang daming mga dito. Tikulit pa tayo.
Isang naman dyan, isang smile naman dyan.
Kapit-bahay ko yan, no? Yung malaking yan. Kapit-bahay ko yan.
Juliet daw.
Kapit-bahay ko yan sa amin.
Yay! Lalo tayo ng math game!
Tayo dyan. O sige, magti-TikTok trend. Si Staku, kakanta kami. Stacks.
Ano?
Like Jenny ka. Dali na kasi. Ituloy mo na kasi. Ituloy mo na yun.
Nagdali ka!
Lahat ayusin mo.
Dali namin natin Maloy. Kasi nanood na.
Sige.
Gusto niya Ate Jo.
Go.
I'm here.
Go na,
Ito na yung
Stacks.
Loisy Crabs, ha?
Okay.
Kasi guys, yung Loisy 10 lang sila.
Guys, naiingit si Jo. Ako yung isa doon, so 9 lang sila. Okay, game?
Go.
Then right ka, Ate Jo.
The spotlight is yours. Okay, 5.
Okay, music. Wait lang, wait yung music.
May music
Kaya
ba
ba
tayo
ng
dyan?
music?
Wala. Okay,
Wala pa.
kakanta kami. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go!
Woo! Ay, okay ba?
Wanna rock with us? 5, 6, 7, go! Woo! Wanna rock with Jenny? Na 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 na, sound like Jenny. Na 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 na, sound like Jenny. Like Jenny.
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Tinuro ko sa'yo kanina. Bebe! Nanangana.
Mika!
I don't know anything.
Hindi ka na kasi nag-upload sa TikTok. Okay, anong sige, anong TikTok trend? Ngayon na yung time niyong bumawi. Anong gusto niyo?
Yung kay Sheena daw. Yung pressure.
Damn right! Bebe! Dali na! Kaya mo na yan?
Ano yung ship name?
Matitiis mo ba yung views? Dali na!
Mana! Mali ka Ate Jo. Alam mo yan. Joanna!
Si John na wala akong may gusto nito.
Ayun na saan tayo?
Okay, go mix!
Jen Roy.
Pinapaakyat si Ate Ay sa
Go na.
Dali na,
Go,
five.
Anika.
Dito sa ulo, I swear.
Alam mo yan.
5, 6, 7, go!
Gwen na lang. Si Gwen na lang.
Sabay mo!
Eto, busy sila oh. Busy sila.
Ano? Bigay yung music to.
Alam ko na. 1 by 1 entry. Sige na. Ako na. Sisimulan ko na.
Ay,
Sige.
Ate Jo,
Ako mag-grade. Oh, Stacks, ikaw mauna. Sige na. Lahat gagawin, Stacks. Mauna ka.
Ikaw muna.
Ano yung TikTok ko?
Hindi, yun nga. Yung trend ni She.
Naagad ka. Hindi, iyak muna. Yung kunwari,
Ang bilis mag-switch.
Kalimutan na. Kung tayo talaga. Go, Stacks. Game? Iyak muna. Game?
This is my first acting
Kukunwari.
experience.
Go, iyak muna. Kukunwari, hindi naman na nalimutan na. Kalimutan ka. Wala. Ang bilis niya. Si Bebe naman.
Wala pa sa chorus.
Bebe.
Hindi, wait lang. Hindi nakikita na lahat. So, dapat isa dito.
No.
Dala.
O, sige, doon ka mix. Mika, ikaw na. Sobrang cute pa naman ng Mika. Ito na lang gusto ko to. Shino-chan! Hi! Nani Gaski! Chocolate! Kita! Sobrang lakas yung sa'yo. Nani Gaski! Chocolate! Lakas? Ayan na. Dom twist, si Kuya Dom ang uupos. I can feel her. I can What happened, Habibi? What happened, Ate Aya?
What happened, Ate Aya? This is our main ritual. Ate Aya!
O sige,
You stretch your legs, okay? While we perform, okay?
Hey guys!
Go, Ate Aya.
Storytelling?
Okay. Anong storya ng buhay mo?
Oh my gosh,
Aya.
pressure naman to.
Dear Aya.
Kasi bigla ako nag-cramp sa leg, but tuloy ang laban, everybody. So I'm here, I'm smiling. Siyempre. Through it all. Iiyak. But ayan. Aya. Oh yeah, basta makakanta. Basta kahit nakaupo ako, grabe yung energy ko, guys. Pero dito lang.
Ayun na! Magja-jogging pa yan bukas, 10 km.
Magja-jogging ka pa.
May jogging ka pa.
So now, Blooms, don't blink twice dahil kayo ang aming cherry on top.
I heard you like confidence, well I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense, just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step upon your land, but let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that, if you like to blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you're trying to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like to blink twice, he's not even thinking about me. Baby, he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at this spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that, if you like to blink twice, are you naughty or nice? Baby, add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like to blink twice, he's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby, then just think twice. If you really
7 dancers. And Cherry on top. Thank you so much for singing and dancing with us. Lalo na kayo, Aya, diba? It was so fun. Like, I think it had fun naman. Okay. But before we move on to our last... Ay! Guys, can we ask for someone here dyan po sa crowd and...
Pwede po ba mag-medic po? Okay, kalma tayo.
Space po.
Bigyan natin ng space.
And hangin. Medic. Yes. Ayan, assistance is coming na po.
Yes, and also paalala sa lahat, to everybody, don't forget to drink your water.
Stay hydrated, guys.
Don't forget to take care of your... don't forget to stretch.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hike.
Magkagulo pa kayo pag binigyan kayo ng... Okay. Is everything alright? Kamusta po?
Please give space po.
Yes, let's all give space to the medics and the people who are assisting.
If kailangan nyo ng tubig, just ask. Okay?
Hello, what if sila lahat?
May tubig kayo dyan, no? Hindi niya lang kinukuha.
And if meron pang hindi okay yung pakiramdam, magsabi agad para matulungan na.
Mahal?
Mahal.
Mahal. 200 pesos. Okay na.
Okay, so may mga tao lang nag-aasikaso.
Okay.
Sana po okay lang po and sa lahat ng nandito, kung kaya natin bigyan ng space yung isa't isa para maiwasan natin, alam mo yun?
Mahimatay.
Yes.
And thank you so much po sa
Yes.
Huwag magtulakan. Thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause,
Thank you po
guys.
sa mga tumulong. Okay. Since we're not able to do this for so long, I think, pwede ba kami makapag-picture sa inyong lahat? Okay! Kasi this is the first country for our world tour out of the country.
Yes. Ang dami nating first.
Ang dami nating first dito. So I think it deserves ng picture. Kuya Nelsie, get on stage. Magsabi kayo kung may nararamdaman kayo.
Okay.
Ay naman,
Kaya mo dyan, Ate Ayat?
Diyan na siya, guys.
Hindi, buhatin na lang.
Kawawa naman po. May visual natin. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay na yan, side view.
Let's go! Picture! Kaya yan. Mag-a-adjust na lang yung cam. Okay, say Beanie after 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Another last one. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Thank you so much, Blooms! Grabe. Eto na. At dahil first stop namin ang Dubai,
We want to make things very special for you guys. So that's why we made it.
Ha? Ipopost na lang.
Ipopost rin yan!
Wait for
it
it.
lang.
Naka 4K yan.
It's clear naman pag pinost yan sa X, di ba? And yun nga, as I was saying, since it is our last song. I know! We want to make it special for you guys, syempre. And it's our first show. What did you do?
Ito, wait lang. Di ba lagi nilang sinasabi, huwag daw ma-pressure. Pero ako kasi hindi na ako naniniwala sa, huwag daw ma-pressure, gano'n. Kasi ang pressure makes diamonds, di ba? Walang diamonds kung walang pressure. And just like many of you, ang dami nating challenges na hinarap, sleepless nights, doubts, expectations, criticisms. Pero kahit di ba pressure nilalagay sa sarili natin. Pero after ng pressure, nandito pa rin tayo. We are stronger, brighter, and better than ever before. Yun yung take ko sa pressure. Ikaw ba, Ate Malay? Anong take mo sa pressure?
I mean, for me, whatever happens, we will never lose ourselves, di ba? Ang dami kasing nangyayari these days, pero yun talaga yung pangako namin sa isa't isa, that we will never ever lose ourselves, and every ups and downs po na nararanasan namin, we will take that as a learning lesson for us to move forward and to become better performers and to become better individuals.